my friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious and amazing strawberry tres leches jello that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I want to start preparing the milks. I have 1.5 cups of regular milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1/4 of a can of condensed milk. And of course, I am using the brand Gelatin. This strawberry mixture jello is made with milk. So I am going to add it, whisk it really good, making sure that the unflavored gelatin blooms. And when this is nice and incorporated, then we're ready to put it into a pot and start getting it nice and warm. Look at the texture, really creamy. And of course, before I do that, I want to prepare my jello mold. Look at this. I am adding a little bit of spray of vegetable spray spam, and I am going to remove the excessive. Any kind of mold you could use here. I have this beautiful one that has such a beautiful design. And here on my pot, I'm going to add all the mixture. I'm not going to clean this glass because I'm going to pour it back in there. I am going to cook it until it's nice and warm, a little hot, but not boiling. You really want to remove it when you start seeing a little bit of smoke, just like this. Then you're ready to turn it off and transfer it to the glass container. Look at this. I am going to transfer it, leave it here for about 5 to 6 minutes until it comes back to room temperature. This part is very important. You never want to add the mixture of the jello directly into your mold when it's still really hot. It was not boiling, but it's still hot. When it comes to room temperature and you could touch it and you don't burn yourself, this is the best time to pour it into your mold. Look at this. I am going to pour it into the mold. I am going to take it to the refrigerator and I am going to leave it there for about 4 hours. This jello comes out so creamy, so delicious, but yet not too sweet. It's going to come out perfect. We're going to add some saran wrap right on the top because we're going to take it to the refrigerator and we don't want the jello to absorb the aromas and the flavors of whatever you have in your refrigerator, especially the onion and the garlic. So I have it nice and covered. And remember, take it to your refrigerator for about 4 to 5 hours. Mine was in the refrigerator for 4 hours and the jello has set. Now, very carefully, I am going to release the edges by pulling towards the center, and then we are ready to plate it. Those little dots in the center, it's liquid, it's water. I'm going to add a little bit of that liquid right on the plate, and then I'm ready to flip. Let's reveal how this jello is going to come out. The decoration of the mold is so beautiful, but take your time so that it releases and you could see how beautiful your jello is going to come out. Look at this. Let me tell you, there's no need to add any decoration. It really came out perfect. It didn't stick to the mold. It came out intact and it looks amazing. And if you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And let me tell you, when you make Jello at home, you have control of how much sugar you add or how much milk you add, and your Jellos are going to come out perfect. Look at this one. I am ready to taste. I am ready to enjoy. And let me tell you, the flavor of the strawberry really penetrated. And let me taste. I'll see you in a bit. Just amazing. My friends, I am completely done with this delicious, very creamy Strawberry Tres Leches Jello. Excuse me. The flavor, amazing. It's not sugary, but it has such an amazing flavor of strawberry. And when it's made at home with lots of love, everything is perfect. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this creamy and delicious Strawberry Tres Leches Jello. See you soon. Bye-bye.